Hello, my name is Son. You can call me Son. Today we're gonna make instant noodle with soft boiled. The provenance of this dish is an easy to make dish that I really like and I eat it often.
The ingredient we have is the instant noodle 1 sachet, or more as you want, and 2 instant egg. I use the chicken egg because I don't like duck eggs, it's fishy for me. First, we have to make the boiling water. After the water is boiled, turn off the gas stove
And add some salt, a half of spoon.
And then we put the egg into the boiled water and do a bit stir. After that, cover the pot and wait for 4 minutes. Then get the egg up and put it on the cold water. And then tear the instant noodle sachets and various condiments. And then pour the hot water over the instant noodles and cover bowl with paste.
After that, get an egg.
Then put the soft-boiled egg into the instant noodle.
You can try it.
Overall, it's delicious and easy to make at home, so you guys should give it a try.